This is the 28th of September. I do have my lattice work up for the solar panels. They'll probably be going up in the next week, maybe 2 weeks. Here they are. There's enough room there for 20 panels. I don't know what else I can tell you, but you can already see the shadows are starting to come out, and it is 4:50 in the afternoon. We have, right now I have 40 foot of 3/4 conduit ready to go up, and we're about ready to get the electrical connections going, or the rough end, as usually it's called, the rough end. And then I'm ready to put solar panels up. It's going to be 4 strings of 5, 2 parallel strings, and then goes to the box. And the first box is a some people call them combiner boxes, whatever you want to call them. It will be a box, and the box will have 2 breakers in it. The breakers are, I can't remember exactly, but they're AC/DC. The box has a lockout tab, so it can be locked out. It does have a screw cover. So it is UL, ETL, and it is NEC approved. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to have more coming soon. Bye-bye.